graders. Beautiful. Today I have a poem for you. I heard a bird sing in the dark of December, a magical thing and sweet to remember. We're nearer to spring than we were in September. I heard a bird sing in the dark of December. So take a second to read it on your own and see if you can kind of find a rhythm to the words. Find that rhythm. So I'll keep a beat for you. Can you say the words on your own? Beautiful, beautiful speaking. You'll notice that I added 3 movements. This piece is in 3/4 time. There are 3 beats in every measure. So I heard a bird sing in the dark of December, a magical thing and sweet to remember. We're nearer to spring than we were in September. I heard a bird sing in the dark of December. And you'll notice we have A, B, C, A form. We've seen this form before. Let's see if we can add some different movements to our piece. We'll get to that in just a second. I'm going to actually hide the second A section so you can still see me, but it is the same as the very first part. So our very first part, we have a stomp, clap, snap, stomp, clap, snap. Get that pattern going. Good for you. Stomp, clap, snap. Can you speak the words of A as you do this? I heard a bird sing in the dark of December. Beautiful. And then we have beautiful. Let's do that with B. A magical thing and sweet to remember. Now we have this really cool C section, and it's going to go like this. Pat, up, pat, snap, pat, up. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we're like birds flying, right? And if you need some practice this, try it to the side, try it to the other side, and see if you can do it low or high. That'll be a good practice for you. So let's do that pattern, and we'll add the C lyrics. So pat, up, pat, snap. We're nearer to spring than we were in September. Let's put the whole thing together. Here we go. I heard a bird sing in the dark of December, a magical thing and sweet to remember. We're nearer to spring than we were in September. I heard a bird sing in the dark of December. Beautiful. Next week we will add on and use some beautiful classical music to use these body percussion, and you'll need a chair because we're going to use our chair in our movements next week. Good luck practicing these 3 ABC patterns with our body percussion. I can't wait to see what happens next week.